What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Today we are staying at one of the most expensive club level resorts you can stay at here on Walt Disney World property, and I'm gonna let you know if it's worth or not. We're gonna have a full day. We only have one night, so we're gonna take full advantage. We'll give the cost breakdown and we'll let you know exactly if you should spend your money here or maybe try club level some other resort. Let's go. If you've been with us for a while, you know that we've done a handful of club levels. If you haven't seen them, go back and check it out. They're our first videos that really did very well on our channel, so I have a very special place in my heart for those videos. But the Polynesian is a lot like the Contemporary here in the club level, because if you're in the Hawaii building in the Polynesian, the entire building is the club level. Wilderness Lodge is a little different. It's a portion of the level. However, here in Contemporary, it is the entire 12th level of the resort. And as you can see, we're pretty high up here. This resort has semi-recently been renovated to look like the Incredibles. I love that. I think that it fits this resort perfectly. I think the Contemporary design, pun intended, is excellent with the Incredibles. And I can't wait to really dive in to this club level here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. And yes, we decided to go ahead and splurge a little bit and get the theme park view because the view of the castle is unmatched. The 12th floor is so high up, you really get an incredible view of the park. I mean, I can see every single part of the park, every land. I mean, Tron, Space Mountain, all of Fantasyland. I mean, you can even see all the way back into an Adventureland. I think that's incredible. I mean, the monorail, it's just so magical, and you're so high up here that everything really, it feels like you're the drone. Does that make sense? The vantage point is just absolutely spectacular. And the Contemporary's viewing platform of the fireworks is all the way down there on the 5th floor. So we have more than double of the view up here. And tonight, they have a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, which means we're gonna get to see the special Halloween fireworks at 10 o'clock from our room. I mean, obviously, if you're staying in club level, they do have a club where you can go to view the fireworks and really get a breathtaking view. But if you can view it from the comfort of your own room, on your own balcony, with your own chairs, just hanging out, I mean, what are we even talking about? So right now we are on the Lakeview side, and on the other side is the theme park view. And that room right over there is our room. And don't worry, I promise, we're gonna take you through the room. We're gonna show you everything that a club level room here at the Disney's Contemporary Resort has to offer, including the view. We're gonna give you both day and night. I mean, I love this resort so much. It's one of the big three. It's one of the originals, and it has just really stood the test of time and even achieved so much more. I mean, the vibes that you feel when you come in here are unmatched. All right, guys, it's time for the room tour. We're at 4843. Let's go check out this theme park view. All right, first things first, when you first come in, to your right is gonna be your closet space. This space is absolutely enormous. Plenty big enough for all your luggage. Right down the way from that is where you're gonna have your safe and a big full-length mirror. And right next to it is gonna be the coffee station and your ice bucket, along with your beverage cooler. Remember, there's the distinction, it's not a refrigerator. For a better use of space in this bathroom, they use the sliding door. I love that. But when you come in, it is enormous for a Disney bathroom. And the touches of detail for the Incredibles is amazing. I mean, the monorail, obviously, this is a monorail resort. It's not a monorail resort. It is the monorail resort. And you can see touches of the monorail in the Contemporary everywhere, but everywhere that there's not monorail or Contemporary, it's Incredibles. It's incredible. It's amazing. You know what I'm talking about. Dual vanity top, plenty of lighting. I mean, the lighting in here, I feel like I'm gonna star in a movie or something. Leonardo DiCaprio is gonna come out or something, I don't know. But this shower, enormous. Plenty big enough for 3 or 4, 5 people. I wouldn't suggest it. That'd be kind of weird, but plenty big enough. Coming into the bedroom portion, this is a 2 queen, but it does sleep 5 because you have a sleeper sofa here. But first things first, directly to my left, your right, this is a nice little hideaway ottoman. If you're sitting down, you're lounging around, or if you just need an extra seat because you're hanging out, you're stuffed from all the food that you just ate at club level, or you got plenty of Starburst. Definitely not me, but you just need to lie down. The Disney beds here on property are extremely comfortable. They're nice and fluffy, but they're not too soft where you like sink in. It's like just the right amount of firmness. It's what you need after a nice long park day. The theming in here, again, is everywhere. The Frozone pillow, Edna mode. I mean, behind me on the wall, you have the incredible masks. I love this theming. Like I said, this is the monorail resort, and you can see touches of it everywhere. I mean, from the lamps, I think that's really amazing. The devil is in the details. I've said it 100 times. Love the details. In the middle here, 2 plugs, 2 USBs, but what Disney has changed, that it is a phenomenal change, is there's also 2 plugs and 2 USBs on either of the other sides of the bed with phone landing areas. I think that's amazing. That way everyone gets a chance to charge everything that they need because we all have plenty of electronics. This couch is amazingly comfortable. I really like this pillow, but really I just needed to move it over there because I wanted to show you the pull down bed. Super simple, easy to set up, just like that, and you're done. When you're done, you want to hang out, pop it right back up, bing bang boom, you're good to go, zoom. Movable desk, if you're working from home and you're totally home and definitely not at a club level Disney resort, you can totally get your work done right here. But the kicker for this room is the view. Let's go check out the balcony. And just like that, we might as well be in the Magic Kingdom. The views here are impeccable, unbeatable even, I would say. Maybe, probably. Astro Orbiter, shout out Astro Orbiter for coming back. Love that, I'm glad it got a refurb. The Magic Kingdom, Cinderella's Castle. I mean, you can view Tron. You got Space Mountain in the distance. You can see Big Thunder in the distance. Tiana's Bayou. Everything's gonna be lit up at night, and I can't wait to show you the fireworks tonight. It's a special Halloween fireworks, so it's gonna be a great view. All right, guys, every night at club level, at about 8 o'clock, they have a dessert hour, and it's just filled with all kinds of yeah, it's filled with all kinds of desserts. I'm really excited. It just passed over 8 o'clock. We want to eat because the fireworks are at 10 and we are not missing them. Wow, they got so much stuff. Okay. Chocolate cupcake, strawberry, buttercream, and an Oreo shot. What is an Oreo shot? I'm about to have to find out what one of them are. We'll have to give that a shot. That looks amazing. Of course, it can't be a dessert party without cookies, right? But look at that one cookie. Very Halloween-esque. I dig it. Key lime tart. So I'm not a big key lime fan, but I know a lot of people are. Chocolate caramel coconut pecan. My goodness gracious. And then just OG cannolis. Can't go wrong with that. All right, so there was a bunch of stuff up there, but I elected to just go with this Oreo shot. Amanda got some cookies. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling a bunch of things. The coconut, I'm not a huge fan of, and key lime pie, I'm just not really a big fan of. But I am a huge fan of Oreo. How'd you guys get spoons? Are they up there? Yeah, I knew that. No, totally. All right, so we got a spoon, but they had soup spoons. You gotta use what you gotta use, okay? But, hey, could I get a spoon? Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Amanda's letting me use her spoon now. That right there. Sorry. Whoops. I guess I am kind of yelling. Sorry, homies. Yeah, no. I definitely. This is a retake. This is a different one. I mean, the same one. This is the same one. Yeah. Gotta try the first bite again because it's the same one for sure. What's a dessert without a little cold, refreshing glass of chocolate milk? to wash it down. If regular coffee is your jam, don't worry. They have regular coffee. They got some water, little snacky poos and chippies, and some sweet lemonade and unsweet tea. But this is available 24/7, all the time. And then in there is where you can go and get your food.
The story that you are about to be told is one for both the young and the old, unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween! Good evening, dear friends. It's wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Now it's getting scary. We kiss, we schmooze, we carry on, and we go home happy. What do you say?
It's time Ursula took this party into her own tentacles. Trick or treat, trick or treat. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. It's
We have made it for breakfast and it looks amazing. Starting off strong with some cereal, but right into the scrambled eggs and bacon. Obviously, breakfast 10 out of 10. Corned beef hash that looks amazing. Impossible sausage for all of you that are vegetarian out there. It's a great option. Cheesy grits and potato casserole. Incredible. All of the breads. That is a huge hole. Is that a donut? No, that's a bagel. That's a huge bagel hole. And then some steel cut oats. Obviously, they still have the coffee, but now they have lox, avocado toast, some boiled eggs, overnight oats, and even some fresh fruit. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Well, after a few rainy park hours and a few different rides, we decided to come back to enjoy a little bit of lunch. Now, here's the thing about club level and lunch. It's not a real lunch. It's like a snack time. It's like goldfish and chips and Uncrustables and things like that. But we're here and it's already paid for, so we might as well take advantage and see if we can get our money's worth out of this room. So let's go check it out. So nothing has changed with the drink situation. Obviously, all your Cokes and your milks and Minute Maid juices, Mickey bars and stuff, all of that's the same. Coffee, teas, water. Here's your chips. You got some goldfish and pretzels, cheeses and crackers, Uncrustables. Wonder if they're peanut butter and grape, because that's definitely the best one. And then chocolate chip cookies and sugar cookies. On this other side, you have your crudité and some more chips. Well, like I said, lunch at club level is not a real lunch. It's snacks. It's come in, get away from the heat, or in our case, get away from the rain, get refreshed, go back to the room, hang out for a second, maybe go down to the pool afterward, then go back to the parks. Dinner time is definitely the meal to have. And breakfast.
And dessert.
And dessert. With cookies and Mickey bar. Don't expect a whole lot for lunch. I guess that's what I'm saying. That's the long and the short of it. Okay, we can We're done now, okay. If you're looking to get the absolute most out of your club level experience, a little Disney trip, a little Disney tip, trick, a hack, if you will. On the day you check out of your club level experience, you get to use club level all the way up until midnight. So what we've done is a split stay. We're spending 2 days in Disney, so we decided to do 1 day of club stay, and then we transferred to another lower level contemporary resort room here. So we're staying in the Garden View, but we get to use the club level all the way up until midnight of the day we checked out of our club level room. So even though we're not staying in the club level room right now, we're headed back up to club level just to get some dinner and get ready to go back into the Magic Kingdom, because they have a brand new parade tonight and we are so pumped to check it out. We're gonna end the day with fireworks because, I mean, why not?
Thank you. No problem.
Good. Now be prepared, because dinner is definitely the time when everyone comes, so it is a little bit more crowded. But I mean, the food looks pretty good today. So we got some green beans, some chicken, some salad. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I'm watching your exercise.
During our Wilderness Lodge stay, we never had a place, or we never had an issue finding a seat. There's plenty of seating up there. Our club level at the Polynesian, we had some sort of difficulties finding seats. However, we always found one. It was just a tedious process. Here I am currently eating on the edge of a wall because there's no seats. Like I said, dinner is 100% the busiest place. It's very crowded. There's a lot of people just having to stand around because there's no seats here. So, I mean, take that for what it is. It might be best to just come grab a bunch of food and then head back to your room to eat. That will probably be your most comfortable way to eat. Definitely something to note. Well, if you've ever dreamed of staying inside the magic, Disney's Contemporary Resort Club level might be one of the most iconic ways to do it. Our one-night stay in the theme park view room ran us just under $1,900, and yeah, that's a big number. But here's what we found. The room itself was incredible. Spacious, modern, and that view of Cinderella's castle is pure magic, especially during the fireworks. The club level amenities are really what you're paying for breakfast snacks, evening hors d'oeuvres, and desserts. If you plan your day around those offerings, you can easily make the most of every meal and drink included. With that said, the club did feel smaller than we expected, and seating was definitely limited during the dinner times, which made it really hard to relax and enjoy the experience fully. So is it worth it? If you're the kind of guest who loves convenience, amazing views, and plans to take full advantage of every food and drink option, absolutely. But if you're just looking for a place to sleep, that nearly $2,000 price tag might be better spent elsewhere. But we have loved our club level stays. Let us know in the comments which club level you think we should try next, and we'll go ahead and do a full review. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.